No matter what you see on the news, no matter how worried people get, I've got good news. And that is, this is the best time ever, if you've ever considered starting a home-based business, to start. Then, you can work from home. If unemployment goes up, you're self-employed. The key is you have to know what home-based businesses actually work in the current world we find ourselves in. I mean, a lot's changed in the last month. So for the last 5 years, I've trained over 1 million people how to launch a home-based business. Different ideas. Not everyone's the same. People have different interests. So I've built up the largest paid online business training program of any individual person. I'm an entrepreneur myself. You may have seen me in the news recently buying big companies. I bought a company called Dress Barn in October, a $700 million revenue company. Might have seen me in the New York Post recently. At my very heart and soul, I'm an entrepreneur that started by building simple home-based businesses. So here's what I've decided to do. I put a poll on Twitter and I said, what would you like me to help with now? What would you like to learn from me? And people said, how to start a home-based business.